I'll show you how to preserve fresh blueberries and always have blueberry pie filling ready. I'll wash the blueberries first. I put the washed blueberries in a pot. I will add 6 tablespoons of sugar to 1 kilogram of blueberries. I turn on the stove. I cook the blueberries until the sugar melts. I stir while cooking. The sugar has melted. Blueberries have released their juice. Reduce the heat and simmer for another 15 minutes. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. While the blueberries are simmering, I need some lemon juice. I will add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to the blueberries. I will stir and simmer the blueberries for another minute. I will pour the cooked blueberries into clean and washed jars. This is how I will fill the other jars as well. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a saucepan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot and arrange the jars in the pot. The jars are hot, so I pour hot water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I will cover the pot, and from the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 15 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes of pasteurization, remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Once the jars have cooled, store them in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.